always get the question, how do you tie your scarf? How do you come up with this style? So stay glued so you see how I turn a scarf into beautiful styles like this. I hope you enjoyed this video.
We'll be needing a scarf and some pins, either one pin or 2 pins.
You're also going to gel your hair and make a bun. I actually made a bun because my hair is not made, so it's going to look small. So if you have your hair, you can just pack it up and make it into a bun.
You're going to fold your veil into a V shape and take the top parts and place it on your head like this.
And you're going to bring this inside, not out. You're going to bring it inside and you're going to twist this. Just tie it like this, like this. You're just going to dress it up and put these ones into it and make it tight. Just make it tight a little bit. What I do before I arrange this one, I like to tie this first. So you're just going to take this here, this side to this part, or we tie it at the back and put it inside here so we don't have anything showing behind. And we're going to take this part that is left and just, I like to cover up these edges, so I just twist it in and I'm going to pin it here. Here we go. This is how I make my turban. And this is how it looks at the front. So this time around, we're going to be doing this backwards. So this scarf that is in triangle, we're going to use it this way. So we're going to use here, we're going to fold just a little, right? Just a little. So we have this at the bottom and we're going to place this on our head. Guys, don't worry about the mark, it's actually gel. So we're going to place it on our head like this. And make sure these two edges are of same length. Yeah. So put it inside like this. Have this. Then we would take this part and hold it with this so we can tie it together. So we have this. So this is what we have at the back and this is what we have at the front. This is a very easy one that you can use for any outing, grocery or anything. So you can actually leave this at the back and have here at the front, so you have something like this going, and you can actually put this inside if you don't want it flying around, right? Have something like this going on, or you have this like this.
We're going to start by folding your scarf into a triangular shape and also folding the edge like we did in the second scarf style. Then you place it on your head and bring the other part forward. You're going to make sure that the lengths are of equal length. Then you go around and just fold it around your neck and take it to the back and just tie it at the back. And that is it.
So we have it. It is easy peasy, like really simple. Let me know in the comment section if you love videos like this, if you want me to create more scarf tutorial videos for you guys. I'll be more than happy to create them for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I have a lot of other videos that you're definitely going to enjoy on this channel, so I'll see you in this video. Don't go away.